Japanese loan Tambagi Matangda Kakching the awareness cum interaction program Pangthokkhre manipur gi naha oiriba miyoi singna Japan da tongan ba sinfam da thabak tawruba yana bagi damakta Manipur University da Japanese language training program yaubagi matangda awareness cum interaction program ama ngasi Kakching chumnang leikai machin manau chinglakta leiba Ananda Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital Kakching gi holda Pangthokkhre Manipur Government gi Skill Labor Employment and Entrepreneurship Department, National Skill Development Corporation, Kwaklai Enterprise Kakching amasung Kha Manipur Yoga and Nature Cure Association Kakching na punna senduna pangthukiba ngasigi awareness program aduda Kha Manipur Yoga and Nature Cure Association Kakching gi Secretary Dr. Mayanglambam Rajkumar amadi National Skill Development Corporation gi State Engagement Officer Maso Jimik Anina Thauram Mapu Singh oiki Ananda Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital Kakching the Yoga and Naturopathy gi Treatment Assistant Training Course Tamliba Singh yauna naha oiba miyoi humfuromna sarugyakiba ngasigi awareness cum interaction program aduda National Skill Development Corporation NSDC gi State Engagement Officer Maso Jimikna Research Person oina wangang kibaga loinana sarugyakiba Singhna hanglakpa wahang kayagi paukumsu piki Ananda Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital Kakching the Treatment Assistant Training Course tamlamlaba matungda Japanese lol amadi atai training kaya fanglaba matungda Japan da thabak tawru gadabi ngapigani Kakching District ki manung chanalaiba iringbandagi sarda thangjamna su mahakna thengnerapa experience kaya mayamda fongdoki hairi Ananda Singh Yoga and Nature Cure Research Hospital Kakching the Yoga and Naturopathy gi Treatment Assistant Training Course Tamba loirabi mahiroi maridasu certificate yethoki hairi